Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. This is only a quick update really, just to highlight the most relevant levels again, because not too much happened since the last updates, actually nothing. Well, that just means it's playing out the expectation at the moment, yeah, because we said that over the weekend we're most likely going to complete or at least work on a fourth wave. That's currently playing out. A fourth wave is typically a boring wave, slow sideways, maybe slight upside. All of that is what we see at the moment. So from that point of view, hopefully you were prepared for this sort of boring weekend. The idea is that we rallied here in a wave one between December and January. Yeah, that was communicated before. My count is that we're currently in a so-called WXY correction. In the Y wave, we have an A, B, C, and in the C wave, we have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Idea is currently that we are in the fourth wave, which would suggest that one more wave down is to come before we can expect a turnaround in a third wave rally. It is coming down quite deep though, and ideally it doesn't come down much deeper, yeah, because it's getting to a point now where we still hold reliable bullish support, which is the 78.6 retracement here around 2.5 cents, but we want to avoid a drop below that, at least a sustained drop below that, because any sustained drop below the 78.6 retracement, in this case 2.5 cents, will make further upside less likely, or at least questionable. At the moment, of course, it could be that GALA has already bottomed here. The reason that could be the case is we have entered an area where we have, we have done enough in terms of correcting that move to the upside to count it a complete wave two. Yeah, it's just that ideally in that last wave down, you get one more wave down. You don't always get it. It would then be a WXY pattern within the Y wave if it turns around here. That's possible. It can always do that because it has done enough, right? Sometimes you just get the 3 waves down into 5 instead of 5. How can we then know that price is already rallying? Well, we never really know. It's all about probabilities, right? And here for me, it's the case that if we break above the wave 4 resistance, so the wave 4 shouldn't really go above the 3.468 cent level. 3.468. That's the 50% retracement. Any sustained break above that level would make it more likely that we've already bottomed. Until that happens, I expect another low. And these additional lows, or that one more low, could happen in the region around 2.4, 2.5 cents. I've got a few Fibonacci extensions that point into that price region. So 2.56 is an important level. This is 78.6 Fib level, and then some Fibonacci extensions, basically target levels. If it's briefly, if price briefly breaks below the 78.6 Fib level, no problem. But if it breaks and sustains, that gets then a bit problematic and will just mean that the chart becomes less reliable. But for now, we're watching, okay, can this fourth wave hold resistance? Or yeah, does resistance hold? If it does, another low is expected, and I wouldn't be surprised if it indeed touches the 78.6 Fib level, maybe even breaks it if it's only briefly. Okay, and at the moment, yeah, this wave 4, what could it be? This could even become a triangle count, or even a flat pattern. Basically a sideways correction. It's not doing much, and again, the resistance level should be quite clear. The next support level should be quite clear as well. Good, that's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.